Hello viewers, welcome to the warm glow of Christmas where twinkles little star dance and handmade love hang from every corner of the home. Today we celebrate a timeless Christmas craft, crochet hanging ornaments, teeny piece of art woven with thread of warmth, care and money. Let's dive into a cozy story that reminds us why handmade creation mean more than anything store-bought. Once upon a snowy December evening, in a small cottage by the forest edge lived an old lady named Margaret, loving called Grandma Maggie. Every winter, when the snow covered her window like lace show, she would sit by the fire with her crochet hook, a cup of hot cocoa, and a basket of colorful yarn. Her fingers, through wrinkled and slow, danced gently, weaving star bells, angel, and a teeny mittens out of soft threads. Each ornament she made carried a story, one of love, hope, and the true spirit of Christmas. The meaning behind the crochet ornaments to Grandma Maggie, crochet was not just a hobby, it was a language of love. Every loop and knot was a prayer for someone she cared about. A white snowflake for her daughter far away, a red heart for her grandson first Christmas, a golden star for her husband who had passed, reminding her that love never fades, not even in heaven. Each year on Christmas, the children from the village would visit her home. The fireplace glowed and the scent of pine filled the air. She would give every child one crocheted ornament, whispering, "Hang it on your tree and remember love in the best decoration." And so her handmade ornaments spread throughout the town, bringing warmth to home, smiles to face, and a tradition that lasted for a generation. Crochet is not just art, it's emotion in motion. The sound of yarn sliding through fingers, the rhythm of the hook, the patience of creating something slowly, it all brings peace to heart. Every handmade ornaments become a memory, something to pass down, something that tell a story of love and care. And this Christmas you too can be storyteller through your handmade craft. You can crochet snowflakes using white thread and touch of silver glitter for sparkle, or make teeny Santa hats, reindeers, or stars with soft wool. Try crocheting small heart or Christmas tree. Hang them by jute string or lace ribbons. Mix textures, cotton yarn for elegance, jute for rustic charm, or metallic thread for a modern sparkle. And when you hang them on your Christmas tree, you will feel something magical, the quiet joy for handmade love. The lesson in the story: one year when Grandma Maggie grew too old to crochet, the whole village gathered at her home. Each family bought their crochet ornaments inspired by her and hung into tree outside their window. The tree shone with hundreds of handmade pieces, and tears of joy filled her eyes. She whispered, "This is what Christmas means, sharing love through your hands." So this Christmas, when you sit down with your yarn and hook, remember Grandma Maggie story. Every stitch you make carries warmth, kindness, and care. Whether you gift it, hang it on, keep it, crochet ornaments become a symbol of love because true beauty does not come from a store, it's come from the heart. Merry Christmas and may your home be filled with handmade happiness. We hope you like the video. If you like so, please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates. Share your valuable comments. Thanks for watching my video till the end. God bless you all. Have a wonderful, amazing Christmas holiday ahead.